Welcome back, LayerX Bulls. As I'm sure those of you who have kept up to date on the recent news surrounding the evolution of the TKAI token and the recent light paper that was announced by the LayerX team discussing what this evolution entails in regards to TKAI token being turned into a fully fledged tradable asset on the blockchain, further developing the LayerX ecosystem to the next level. I'm sure many of you have been patiently waiting to hear how you can get your hands on some TKAI, as because in the past, these tokens have been allocated to past and recent hackathon participants, whether that be projects who hosted the hackathons or the attendees of the hackathons. Now, the LayerX team stated that they had plans to offer some certain initiatives for the LayerX ecosystem community members for them to get their hands on some TKAI before the upcoming release of the token to the general population. And that day is upon us, okay? The LayerX team is giving the community the opportunity to sign up to be a part of the beta for the deposit and withdrawal functionalities of the TKAI tokens on the TAIKAI platform itself. So in this guide, I'll give you a quick run through and guide on just how to join this waitlist and potentially be selected to get your hands on some sweet TKAI. Now, the steps are very quick and easy, so it should take less than 10 minutes of effort on your behalf. I'm going to give you all the steps that ensures that you have the highest chance of being selected to be a member of the beta, because you could just complete the form. However, there are some small minor details that you need to pay attention to in order to give you the highest chance to be selected. So I suggest you follow every step in the video, as I would love to see many of my viewers get their hands on some sweet TKAI. So, assuming you don't already have an account on the TAIKAI platform, I suggest you head on over to the TAIKAI website. If you have your details, then log into your account here. Or, if you're a newcomer, hit create account and then proceed with the account creation process. I will do it in the form of a Gmail account. Once you reach this page, fill out the areas with the relevant information. You can skip this process of filling out the information. However, as we are joining a waitlist, I highly suggest that you fill out your account as much as possible, because I would imagine once the LayerX team comes around to looking at the people who have joined the waitlist, they'll take a look at their TAIKAI account and see which members would be more suited to participating in the beta of the withdrawal and deposit functionality of the tokens. So the more information you have about yourself, the better. So, and there we are. We have our very own TAIKAI account. Now, once you've completed the registration of your account and you have your very own TAIKAI account and username, I highly suggest you head on over to the settings tab within your account and you ensure that your account is fully verified by completing the validation process of providing a phone number in order to receive the validation code to complete the verification of your account. Now, I would imagine that there is going to be many people that join the waitlist to be part of this beta. And one of the ways that the LayerX team is going to take a look at and sift through all of the other spam accounts and find the users that will be best suited to participating in the beta, they will check their TAIKAI account and see if they are validated. So I highly suggest you do this in order to increase your chances to be selected for the beta. Next, I suggest you head on over to the LayerX Zealy.io page, which will contain the TAIKAI beta test quests in order to complete to validate you as a more suitable candidate for the participation in the beta. I would suggest you first connect a Discord account to Zealy. And now do not worry, the quests are very easy and quick to complete. Authorize, create your account, then the TAIKAI beta test sprint tab. Make sure to complete each of the quests to give you the highest chance for selection from the waitlist participants. There are only 4 very easy to complete quests, including following LayerX, following TAIKAI, joining the LayerX Discord, and showing some support on the announcement tweet of the TKAI early adopter post from the TAIKAI page. All you will need to do, like and retweet the post and comment on the post as well, showing some love. All you will need to do is connect your Twitter account to your Zealy profile. And then once you have done all of these things, you can come here, claim your reward, and then within usually about 10 seconds, it will check to see if the actions have been completed. And once they have, the quest will be rewarded to your account. Now, the final and obviously the most important thing you need to do in order to join the waitlist for the beta of the TKAI withdrawal and deposit functionality to get your hands on some Sweet TKAI. Head on over to the form provided to you in the description of this video and the early adopter post made by the TAIKAI Twitter page. Make sure to read the information given to you before filling out the form, and then fill out the form with the relevant information. And then when you are ready, hit submit. And that's all you need to do. You are now placed on the waitlist to join the beta of the withdrawal and deposit functionality for the TKAI tokens. I'm excited and hopeful that as many of my viewers as possible can get their hands on some TKAI. As soon as I find out any more information around this topic, I will make sure to relay that information to you in a timely fashion. I'm very excited at the potential to be one of the very first people to have the TKAI token in their wallets, and we are truly at the very start of a fantastic opportunity within the LayerX ecosystem, and I am extremely excited to see what the LayerX team is going to be able to do with the TKAI tokens and developing the LayerX ecosystem into something truly amazing. If you have any questions or issues with joining the waitlist for the TKAI beta, then leave them in the comments and I will make sure I get you on that waitlist, okay? As always, if you'd like to stay up to date with the most relevant LayerX ecosystem news, make sure you follow both my channel and then the new official LayerX YouTube channel. All the relevant information you may need will be in the description of this video, including links to all of the websites we visited in the guide. And with that, I'll see you in the next one, LayerX Balls.